At Barron Boats, we believe every moment on the water deserves a soundtrack as unforgettable as the ride itself. That's why we've partnered with the best, Mark's Audio, to design and install custom marine audio systems that deliver unmatched performance. Our essential package brings clean, powerful sound with a Fusion Audio 2-zone head unit, 8 Clarion speakers, a 10-inch subwoofer, and a JL Audio 800-watt amp. Take it up a notch with the premium package, featuring JL Audio mid-level marine speakers, dual 8 subs, 2 Fusion controllers, and 2 powerful 1300-watt amps. Or go all out with the ultimate package, a mind-blowing 4-zone Fusion system, 10 top-tier JL Audio speakers, 4 subwoofers, and 3 JL 2000-watt amps. It's pure, high-powered, on-the-water adrenaline. Crafted by Barron Boats, tuned by Mark's Audio, made for you.